So this is on. I'm from Bangladesh, and I'm here in China to buy a CNC machine. So this is Blue Elephant. It's a CNC company. Okay. So they have a large factory. You can see they have a large factory here. So they make their products here. Actually, I visited some other companies here, but their product quality is not so good as their. I mean, the product quality of Blue Elephant is way better from other CNC company. And the engineers and other peoples, they are so cooperative, and you can get a free training from here. So if you are thinking about to buy a CNC machine as a customer, I can suggest you you can buy it from here. So you can get better facilities. Okay, bye bye.